In today's video, I'll teach you how to add Facebook page admin. First of all, what you have to do is launch open any browser of your choice, click on the search bar and type in facebook.com. After that, you'll be led to the official website of Facebook, or instead of that, you can also open the Facebook application if you want. Make sure you're logged into your page. Once you're logged into your page, initially you'll be led to this kind of interface. In order to add the admin, for that what you have to do is access the settings. For that, click on the profile icon that you can see at the top right corner of your screen. Now you'll be able to find various options over here. What you have to do is simply click on this option, settings and privacy. Now you'll be able to find various options related with settings and privacy over here. At first you'll be able to find the option for settings, click on it. Now once you do that, you'll be led to the settings interface. You'll be able to access various settings options over here. In this interface at left, you'll be able to find various options. Scroll down. In the section for audience and visibility, at fifth, you'll be able to find the option for page setup. Simply click on it. Now you'll be led to the page setup interface. You'll be able to find the information regarding your page over here. At second, you'll be able to find the option for page access. Simply click on it. Now you'll be able to manage and view the access of your Facebook page. Over here, you'll be able to find the option for people with Facebook access, people with task access. If you want to add the admin who only has task access, simply click on this option, add new, that you can see right next to the option task access. If you want to add the admin with Facebook access, what you have to do is click on the add new option that you can see right over here on your screen. Now you can see over here, you'll be able to allow the access. Read these informations very carefully. Click on this option next that you can see on the screen. Now once you do that, you can see over here, you'll be able to search for the people. You can search by the name or email. Click on the search bar. Now what you have to do is simply enter the name over here. Now once you do that, you'll be able to find various options over here. Click on the person that you want to give the access to. Now once you do that, you'll be led to this kind of interface. If you give this person the access, they'll be able to manage the content, messages and calls, community activity, ads, insights, etc. Simply click on this option, give access. Now for security reason, you'll have to enter your password. Simply enter the password in this field. Click on this option, confirm. Now you can see over here the invitation for Facebook access will be sent to that person. They will have to accept your invitation within 31 days. After that, they'll be added as a Facebook admin for your page. So that is how you add Facebook page admin. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.